Okay guys, it's literally been less than 1 hour since I landed from Monterey Car Week back in Toronto. It's right now only 7:30 in the morning, so landed at about 6:45, immediately went, picked up my car from storage, and now we're on the way to the track. I have not even been home yet. So we're gonna have a pretty good track day. I haven't had a track day in this car in like 2 years. Haven't had a track day in general, I think, since then either. So let's go, we're going to Mosport. Should be a pretty fun day. So we just arrived at the track day. M4 CSL, Huracan Evo, actually I think it's just a 992. My car, GT3, GT3RS, M4 GTS. Ton of cars here. Honestly, I don't know what to expect, but let's see. Okay, so stickers on the car, a little bit crooked, but it's okay. Now I think we gotta go inside for the driver meeting and we're good to go. That's pretty crazy. Turbo. Just a few cool cars here, and a lot of GT4s here, some Corvettes, a lot of Carreras, GTSs, Targas, convertibles, everything. But I'm shocked somebody brought a Mercedes SLS here. That thing just pretty much shreds tires. I mean, this is definitely not a track car, but cool car. Somebody's got the balls to drive this here. You know, SLK, of course, a Miata. You're not gonna have a track day without a Miata. Two M3s, M4s, not 997 turbos, but somebody brought an SVJ Roadster and it has the racing seat, so that's actually a pretty good option. You know, at least if you're actually tracking it, get the right seats. But honestly, I didn't expect to see an SVJ here today. There's a Huracan, Z06, a lot of Corvettes, like I said, C7s mostly actually. But yeah, 458 with this light bar. Interesting lineup. So the instructor that was with me in my car offered me to go in his Subaru Racecar. I don't really know exactly what it is, but on the track at 1 o'clock, it's 12:52. So we're gonna go there, see what it's like, because he's been racing here for 40 years, so I'm guessing he's gonna be pretty fast. But yeah, everything here from SLSs to Radicals to like Corvettes, McLarens, just such a good variety here of cars. Even earlier, a Corolla was ripping in front of me, like an 07 Corolla, and I'm in the GT4, and for some reason I couldn't catch him. Like, weird things here. GT3RS with a YSAC package, AMG GTR, but we're gonna go into Subaru, which I suspect might actually be faster than those cars. Plus, we just got back from Car Week, you know, 6 hours ago. So, do we really care about an AMG GTR right now? I don't think so. But SLS is pretty cool. But let's go try this thing out. You know what? This might be one of the faster cars here. 48 Challenge, just casual. Then a GT3 as well. Seems like a manual. Carbon ceramic brakes. Oh, Viper TA. That's crazy. GT3. Ooh, 997 Cup car. The advanced group are going now. I'm probably done for the day, but the advanced group are gonna go now. Let's just see what the lineup. We got 992 turbo, convertible, some serious cars here. A lot of Corvettes, Z06s, mostly C7s, which is pretty cool to see. They're kind of harder to drive. GT4s, GT3s. guys, I don't know how short this video is going to end up being. I don't know if there's a lot of content here. I know it's very different from what I've been posting the last few days. Again, we're going to get back to some crazy hypercar content this coming weekend, but I kind of cut the track day short. It's only 2 o'clock right now, but I've been away for over 24 hours. I woke up in Monterey, California yesterday morning. I drove 5 hours to LAX, then flew another 5 hours overnight here, didn't sleep on the plane, and straight to the track. Haven't even gone home yet, so I filmed as much as I could, I tracked as much as I could, I did as much as I could, but right now I gotta go home and crash. And yeah, like, this weekend is gonna be another crazy event. Probably more hypercars in one place than anywhere in Car Week were, so follow along. We're gonna get back to this hypercar content, but now also that we're back home, whoever's new on this channel, you guys are gonna see some of the newer content, some of the, you know, regular content that I can film here in Toronto, because obviously, you know, it's not Car Week here. So for all the new subscribers, I really appreciate it, and I'm gonna try to give you guys the best local vlogs I can.